again to the next episode of my informal cooking, wherein there is no convention, there are no rules that I am pressured to follow. So whatever comes my way, I'll have to cook. So today's cooking was actually delayed because I was already in the counter this afternoon from the office and I forgot this one. So when I was about to start my cooking and I was checking my ingredients, I was a bit upset because after washing I was supposed to cook, and my dinner tonight has been delayed just because of this. So I have to run to the supermarket again and buy. So welcome again in this unconventional cooking or informal cooking wherein there is no rule that we need to follow. So I just heard that sinigang is one of the food that we the Tagalog people are actually wanted to always eat repetitiously, and we're going to replicate that, and I'm going to mimic such way of cooking. And in today's menu, we're going to cook sinigang na salmon, yung ulo ng salmon, with this one, and of course with the other vegetables such as radish, and I have here tomato, and of course the leafy vegetables. We have here the malunggay. Of course we have the salmon. First is we have to saute first the salmon so that we are not going to be smelling the smell of it. They say it in Tagalog, malansa. So to evade the smelling of malansa, so we have to saute it first. In cooking, I normally avoid noise, so even if the oil has not been boiling, I need to pour in the salmon. If you're going to open it, it's noisy. If you're going to close, the noise has been minimal. So I will allow it to cook for the meantime. I'll have to prepare the other ingredients such as the radish and then the onion, and then I will slice this whole of tomato. I am done slicing the radish. As what I've told you, this cooking is non-conventional, so whatever I like, the way I slice the tomato, that's it. And the onion, that's it. Salmon can easily be cooked, and so far it's already cooked, so it's time for us to put the other ingredients. This is without any convention, so I already put the radish, the tomato, and then the onion. Time to pour in water. I think that's enough. And our sampalok sinigang mix. I think too much. Then let's mix this one. later we will taste it. Let's allow it to boil and cook the radish, and while waiting we have to prepare the green leafy vegetables. The leaves of the young sweet potato, I tried to air dry this one, but some turned black, and also the moringa, I tried to air dry this one, so it's ready now. So since our special flavoring has gabi in it, you know, it became sticky this time. The soup became sticky and I like it. It became so sticky this time, so it's time for me to put the last ingredients, the young vines of sweet potato and moringa. And let us spread it evenly. I think the ratio of my leafy vegetables against the salmon and other ingredients seem to be outsmarted. Became very small portion right now. I think I failed in the way I air dry my moringa the other time, so I should have removed it from the main main strand. Oh, it's hot. So just few minutes, then this is okay. I'm ready with my rice. Ready. And my sinigang.